Southern Emergency Response Training Center of Toxic Substances, CERT. Origins and milestones. Environmental Protection Administration, EPA, Executive Yuan has long been promoting the prevention and proper response of toxic chemical disasters in Taiwan. Nonetheless, there were no domestic professional training grounds for toxic chemical disaster. Governmental and industrial response units, such as environmental incidents specialist teams, firefighters, military personnel, regional mutual aid groups in the industry, and personnel in charge of toxic chemicals operating facilities all encountered the same problem of insufficient training and lack of proper training ground. To strengthen the preparedness for toxic disasters, EPA appointed a selection committee for constructing a professional training ground in 2014, in which National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology, NKUST, was selected by the committee to jointly set up the Southern Emergency Response Training Center of Toxic Substances, CERT. After planning and design for several years, the groundbreaking ceremony for CERT was held in 2018 by Professor Yang Qing-yu, the president of NKUST, and Minister Zhang Zijin, the then Deputy Minister of EPA. The ceremony was attended by members of the Legislative Yuan and delegates from Industrial Park Service Center of Industrial Development Bureau, Ministry of Economic Affairs, and delegates from Environmental Protection Bureau and Fire Bureau, Kaohsiung City Government. The construction project of CERT took nearly 2 years. During the process, the main building had experienced 3 alterations of design and passed 4 construction inspection and verification. Through joint efforts of the construction team, the project was completed within 505 days, which was ahead of schedule. In all 4 inspection and verification, the construction project all received a grade of A. The completion of the construction project was in 2020. On March 17, 2021, CERT was qualified as a training center for responders of toxic and concerned chemical substances by EPA. By then, CERT, the first professional training ground for toxic chemical disasters in Taiwan, was completed and ready for service. Vision. After the opening of the CERT, training courses were delivered for facilities handling toxic chemicals and governmental response units. In conjunction with the enforcement of relevant regulations, the courses, including awareness level, operation level, technician level, specialist level, commander level, transportation and laboratory incident training, are delivered through the cooperation between industries, government agencies, university, and research institutions. CERT effectively enhances the disaster response capabilities of industry and government agencies and ensure the safety of community and property and reducing the risk of response personnel. Moreover, the annual retraining program will continue to strengthen the knowledge and capabilities of responders. Through the cooperation between EPA and the Ministry of Education, CERT has the capabilities to develop new disaster mitigation technologies and nurture students to become the best professionals for disaster prevention and mitigation in the country. In addition, CERT is looking forward to the future cooperation with Texas A&M University for international accreditation to demonstrate that the toxic and chemical disaster response technology in Taiwan is among the best internationally. With all the efforts, CERT aims to be one of the best centers in Asia of training, service, and research for toxic chemical disaster response. Thank you for your attention.